that. Okay, we've got gospel recording artist and my friend Kevin Downswell here this morning with a new single titled Take the Lead. It's a collaboration with Dr. Paul Enenche. Is it Enenche of Nigeria? Kevin's here this morning to tell us all about it. Happy New Year, my friend.
Happy New Year.
Good to see you.
Same here.
Smiling from ear to ear. New music, just a dash your leg.
Oh my God.
Inspiration is just like whoosh, whoosh. Can you know just release Bless Me?
That's September. That's like 2 years ago.
Look at you.
Yeah, man.
So tell me about this one and this collaboration.
Take the lead. Wow, this song is special because Dr. Paul Enenche is one incredible human being. He is one of the most prominent names in Africa, and he has, I think the name of his church is Dunamis, but they call it Glory Dome because it's the largest church in Africa.
Glory Dome.
So, right. Ooh. So when we met, that was it. We just connected immediately. And so, long story short, he introduced me. I recognized that he sang. He didn't just preach, he sang. And I said, yes, sir. He said, would you be able to do a song with me? And I said, yes. And the rest is history.
He asked you.
Can you imagine?
Of course.
The incredible Dr. Enenche said, hey, can you do a song
Then you are
with
the
me?
what? You are the what? Is that the incredible Kevin Downswell? I understand you.
The Bible said, exalt another over yourself. That's what the Bible said. Yeah.
I know. But I find now that Africa is like playing a prominent role in your offering. So it's not just this spiritual leading, it's Bless Me. And you've told me that, you want to put out more Afrobeat type Christian music. First of all, tell me how Bless Me was received.
Oh gosh. I can't find words. Thank Uno. I want to thank you guys for just the reception that Bless Me got. I'm so appreciative. It just took off. And as you mentioned, Africa, there was a lot of Africans who jumped on the Bless Me Open Verse Challenge that we had.
Yes.
A lot. So thank you guys. So big up to Pantason. That song has been, and it's still just impacting lives. Very grateful.
So Take the Lead is a little bit more...
Take the Lead is different. Take the Lead, we're in a season where people are, they jump into a new year and they walk into immediate disappointment because they recognize they've been making New Year resolution and all kind of this in their own strength. And this song is it's an invitation to say, you know what? Instead of doing this year, running this year, making your plans and trying to run it on your own strength, why not let go? It's a song of surrender. It's a song of, Moses said, if you don't come with me this year, if you don't come with me through 2026, then why am I going to be there? If you don't come with me in that board meeting, if you don't come with me in making those decisions, please don't send me. And that's what the song is about. It's I can't do this without you.
Yep.
Take
it's
the
like
lead.
how Jesus take the wheel.
Yes.
Kevin Downswell and pastor version. But still in the same vein of Bless Me.
Yeah.
I'm not going to let you go until, right? So tell me what thoughts are coming through your head now as far as the messaging in the music is concerned.
As in this one?
As in,
or my music?
And the last one, because the two are very consistent.
One of the things I don't do is fight process and fight what God is doing. And I recognize that He will see the end, and while I'm in the middle, all I simply need to do is just have Him take the lead. But He's directing me in a particular direction where I just let go. It's very important to spend time in His presence. It's very important to just spend time with Him because you recognize that you're not trying to recreate what happened last time. Bless Me was a big hit, but I'm not trying to recreate Bless Me. And that's important because seasons change, things shift, people are in the new places. That's one thing I do not do is try and create another song like Stronger or Carry Me.
Yeah.
I don't put energy into want to recreate another hit. It's simply, Lord, I let go.
Is that now or is that before? Because I remember talking to Jermaine Edwards and he was saying, every time he put out a big song, he feel pressure for the next one because he knows people are looking at him to come with something the same or big. And it's hard. Exactly.
I've divorced myself from that pressure.
Have you?
When you meet me in the supermarket and say, bro, when is the next song? I just dropped it last week, bro. I just dropped it. Did you find it? And it's like, yeah, man, but it's like I've divorced myself from that. I don't allow people to pressure me because the very thing that they're asking for me to deliver in an excellent state it's the time that allows it to be excellent.
Right.
So if I'm rushing things and sending it to you, eventually you'll realize, whoa, what Kevin has sent out lately is just watered down. So it's important for me to...
Same one, boy, may I tell you.
So maintain my inner process to ensure that what happens externally is maintained, and not just maintained, but to another level.
So what are you feeling in the spirit this year? Are you...
God.
Are you... I want to say pregnant with ideas. Somebody asked me why.
Oh man, there's so much planned.
Ideas.
Man, there's so much happening this year. There's so much that God has planned. And of course, the EP, yes. People have been asking, when are you going to drop something? Yes. The EP is in the making. We've been in the studio working, and I work quietly. I don't work with noise. So you won't be seeing me on social media saying, yo, in the studio, hear that song, I don't like it. No. People do it that way, but I work quietly.
It's not your process.
I work quietly. And let me say to other artists who are watching, don't let everything outside force you to do things the way how they want to do it. If this is your heart and if this is your personality, this is your DNA, work it like that, because that's exactly how the true excellence and authenticity is going to come from you. Do it your way. And so I'm not on social media every day saying, yo, what do you think about that song? I drop it. Or what do you think about... No. When we're done, we're going to say, okay, we're ready to drop it.
Yeah.
But we have a lot planned this year, and I'm very thankful.
I want to hear more about what's planned for this year, but let's hear a piece of Take the Lead. Take the lead with it now. Sound man, run it.
Take the lead, oh Lord. I will follow you. Take the lead, oh Lord. I will follow you. Take the lead, oh Lord. I will follow you. I will follow you.
Dr. Paul Enenche.
You know the restaurant. I don't know what you know. My future is your past. You know which way I must go. You know the best of. I don't know what you know. My future is your past. You know which way I must go. Take the lead alone.
I think they enjoyed it.
I'm enjoying it too, but I want to be able to talk. It's a fantastic song. And there's nothing like watching an artist react to his own work. If it hits you like that, you know what I mean? Having heard it 5,000 times.
Before you heard it for the first time.
Right.
Can you imagine having heard it?
What does that feel like?
Oh man.
Your reaction was visceral a while
Yeah,
ago.
it was. I mean, this song just does something to me. As I said, we have heard it 1,000 times before you guys hear it for the first. But every time this song drops, it's like, my God, it takes it to a different place. But the launch date is January 30th. This song drops January 30th. So for those who are saying it's on Spotify, no, it's not there yet. But you can jump over to my IG page at Kevin Downswell and jump onto in the bio, you'll see the pre-save link. But we're heading to Africa next week. And we're releasing the song in Nigeria on January 30th on stage with Dr. Paul Enenche.
Okay. You've been traveling so much. You're not tired?
No, you know?
You're not tired, Kev?
You know what the Bible says? The very work, I'm going to paraphrase, the very work you do refreshes you when you're doing this kind of work. It's like every day you see another man's life change. Every day you see another man move from victim to victor, from defeated to being conqueror. That refreshes you.
Yeah.
And
also, go on.
And so it never feels like work. The day it feels like work,
You're done. Yeah.
You need
I
to
also
check
know
yourself.
you've been out and about in the West and South, because you've been Melissaing too.
oh man, all those 5 parishes, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland.
Like every weekend?
Everyone, yeah. It's love. It's
Yeah.
love for my own people.
Yeah.
I love my country.
I know.
And why would I be running up and down like me a star and my people them they're hungry and not do something about it? Even if me have little bit, them I forget a quarter of the little bit or half
Got it.
or more.
Got it. The song is called Take the Lead, being launched in Nigeria on January 30, so he's off soon. But I hope when we come back, we'll get a lot more of you.
And even though it's been launched in Nigeria, it will be available to everybody.
Yes.
On the 30th.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Loving the music and appreciating the music. Thank you for sharing your heart with us, Kev. Gospel recording artist, Kevin Downswell. Second edition of News in 5 up now.